Hi again, welcome to English Lessons, and we are again looking at the vowel sounds. And this one is English long vowel sound E. Alright, if you remember this Malayalam E sound, Ishwaran, E. Okay, then you can easily learn this phonetic script. There is a I like a letter with two dots, that means the colon, and it's inside the slashes. So that's the English phonetic script for the long vowel sound E. Okay, some example words given here are C, B, Fee, Key, Chi, meat, heat. Okay, so you can see this E sound is usually produced by EE letters and sometimes EY combination, EA combination. All right, thank you.